Did you know there was once a king who could talk to animals, command the wind, and even control magical beings? His name was Sulaiman, and this is his amazing story. Long ago, Allah blessed a young prince named Sulaiman with something very special. Not gold or jewels, but wisdom. Sulaiman asked Allah for the knowledge to be a fair and kind ruler, and Allah was so pleased that he gave him incredible powers too. One of Sulaiman's most amazing gifts was that he could understand every creature on earth. Birds would chirp their secrets to him, ants would share their worries, and even the wind would whisper messages from faraway lands. Animals from all over would gather to hear his wise words. One day, a beautiful hoopoe bird came to Sulaiman with exciting news. "O king," the bird said, "I have discovered a land called Sheba, ruled by a powerful queen, but she and her people worship the sun instead of Allah." Sulaiman was concerned and decided to send the queen a message. When the queen of Sheba received Sulaiman's letter, she was amazed by his wisdom. She decided to visit him, bringing magnificent gifts. But before she arrived, Sulaiman asked, "Who can bring me her throne before she gets here?" A powerful jinn said, "I can bring it in the blink of an eye." And just like that, the throne appeared. When the queen arrived, she saw her throne in Sulaiman's palace and was astonished. Then Sulaiman showed her his incredible glass palace. The floor was so clear and shiny that the queen thought it was water and lifted her dress to walk through it. This showed her that Sulaiman's power came from Allah. Sulaiman had jinn working for him too, magical beings who built magnificent palaces and temples. They dove deep into the ocean to find pearls and created beautiful works of art. But Sulaiman never used his power to be mean or bossy. The story of Sulaiman teaches us that true power comes with responsibility. He used his amazing gifts to help people. Be kind to all creatures, and always remember Allah. Just like Sulaiman, we should use our talents and abilities to make the world a better place.